loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick review, and this review is courtesy of SAMSBEAUTY. They were kind enough to send me another wig, and so the wig details are as follows. So this wig is from SENSATIONNEL. I think I'm saying that correctly, SENSATIONNEL. It is their Swiss lace silk base lace frontal wig. It's 100% human hair, and it's a hybrid mix. It's from their supermodel series. It's called Kiana. So this is the stock card. So it's a 6x4 parting, and it is in the color T1B 350. So that's the color that I have on my head right here. And you can wear it as a middle part or as a side part. And yeah, that's pretty much everything that it says on the stock card. So as usual, I'm going to do an up-close view of the wig as I'm unboxing it, as well as when I put it on my head, what it first looks like when you take it straight out the packaging. And then after I customize it a little bit, which all I did was add a little baby hair, put some mineralized skin finish in my parting space, and I think brush it out. No, I brushed it out on camera. So that was pretty much everything that I did off camera. My own personal feelings about it. I love the color. I love the curls. The only thing that I feel like I'm not too much getting into is the luster. Like, I feel like it's a little bit shiny for my liking. So it's not making it look as natural as I would love it to, which I have methods to where I can, you know, get the shine down a bit. But I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like, you know, straight out the packaging. Now, as far as the hair, like, the hair is great. The wig is great. It did come with lace on it, so I did have to cut the lace off. Oh yeah, that's something else I did off camera. Yeah, so other than that, it was pretty simple. I really love this color, and I really love the fact that I can just run my hands through it. Like, it's long, but it's not too long to where it's like tangling. So I love that I can just keep, oh wait, well, it did tangle a little bit, but I love that I can just keep running my hands through it. Like, it's so soft. So I hope that you guys like it. If you like it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next video.
Could it be you calling me down, 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 down? My foolish heart turns at the stars. All that I am is all that you see. You don't need nobody else, and you're putting this all on me. Forget, there's no way to love, just open your eyes. Just hold out your hand and bless the wine. Forever it's you, forever it's me. You don't need nobody else. Put your faith to see. It's all yours. It's all yours. It's all yours. You don't need nobody else, because all that you need is calling me down, 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 down. My foolish heart turns at the stars. All that I am is all that you see. You don't need nobody else, and you're putting this all on me. Forget that, there's no way to love.